Alright, hi ma'am, I'm Ramesh, volunteering at International Business Fashion Exchange Council. So we are here on the behalf of them and we are basically gathering insights and information about the fashion and trends in the fashion and textile industries. So we'll just take a few minutes of yours for enjoying. So my first question is what basically is technology in the wool industry? What basically are you doing?
So we are working under the National Technical Textile Mission, and our basic goal is to how to make indigenous wool and other things like wool more acceptable in the market, and that they get better rates and better quality products. So particularly what I do, my company is called Asia Wellness and Biosciences. We are basically innovating the wool fabric with other blends so that it is more acceptable in the market. So like if you see our current innovation which is in wool and hemp. So both wool and hemp are sourced from Uttarakhand and Himachal from the core of Himalayas. And what we try to do there is that we try to procure it directly from the shepherds and directly from the farmers. And we give them a better, livelihood and skill of how they can sort their fabric, how they can process at a lower level only, and how industry can get a better quality raw material. Otherwise, what will happen? Industry will just go and source it from other countries. Whereas wool is the third most wool producing nation, but world's seventh wool product nation. So we are almost half of what we are producing is utilized. So my goal is to actually develop a better quality.
So what challenges do you face and what are policies do you think government should incorporate to overcome these challenges?
Yeah. So I think the challenges have been that I have been working in the industry since 2009. Like from my college onwards, my dissertations or my research projects were based on wool. And I think what we are lagging is that we have not been able to still find a solution to even train the shepherds. So it's like NGOs like mine who train the shepherds, who give them the knowledge of how to sort, how to grade right at the farmer level, so that instead of 20 rupees a kilo, they can get up to 900 rupees a kilo. So this is what our goal is, but we are lacking the initiatives of training and education. I think product development now, because of the national textile mission, we are getting a lot of advantages, but still lot has to be done on the training initiative.
So what last message would you give us viewers and the people on the other side?
I would say that rather than focusing on international innovations and what is out there in the world, we should actually take a step back and go to these indigenous places, go to these unique areas which have their own unique. There should be a natural fiber center or something like that in every district or in every state, which can showcase people what are the natural fibers that we've been using, because they are sustainable, they are very good for the body and health, and they are very good for the people who are still working towards it. So it should not just be an art and craft product. It should be like things are used in something like what we are doing. We are using the wool we are proposing to use in the defense grade material. So even when the soldiers they go and all the high automobiles, they can have these gloves and mufflers and things like that can protect their skin also. So innovation, but also taking a step back for the innovation.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really nice talking to you.